Hello everyone, my name is Pavankumar and I'm studying in Jodhpur College of Engineering, Qatar, and currently I am an intern at 3QI2617. In this video, I'm going to explain my project on high availability in LAN networks. I will explain my presentation, then I will show the working in Cisco packet tracer, and also I will show my report also. And so let's get started. First, I will explain what this project is about. Means the main goal of this project is to keep the network working all the time. Even if one device or a link fails, the network should not stop. For that, I have used backup paths and multiple devices and some important networking concepts. These concepts are used in real companies to avoid network failures. Before starting the project, I have planned everything using Scrum board. Uh, I have used Asana to manage my task. Asana is a tool which can be used to uh, do the projects, and I divided my work into five parts: project initiation and proposal, project planning and project execution, monitoring and controlling, and project closing. Next is this is my project on high availability in LAN network. The goal is to keep the network always running. High availability means the network should not stop working. It should continue even if there is a problem. In real life, the in real life, if the network goes down, it can cause big problems. So companies always use backup systems. There are three main ideas here. First is redundancy, failover, load balance, and fault tolerance also. Uh, Redundancy means extra devices or links can be used. Failover means switching to backup automatically. Third is tolerance, fault tolerance. Network continues working even after failure. After that, this is my network topology I have used. Uh, you can see multiple connections between devices. These extra connections are uh, used as backup. If one path fails, uh, another path will be used. And I have used routers and switches, PCs, and cloud devices to simulate ISP connections and Cisco packet tracer for simulation. Next is VLAN configuration. VLAN is used to divide the network into smaller groups. This improves performance and also it improves the security. Next, spanning tree protocol. Spanning tree protocol is used to avoid loops. It blocks extra paths and keeps only one active path. Routing. Next is HSRP. HSRP means it is used to create a virtual gateway. One router works as a main and another works as backup. If main router fails, the backup router takes over and automatically it will start working. Next is routing. Routing is used to connect the device different networks and allow communications. Next, monitoring and troubleshooting. Commands like ping and show are used to check the network. Next, result. The network continues working even if a failure happens. Conclusion. This project shows how we can make the network reliable and stable. As you can see, the how the data is flowing. If uh, if this router is turned off or it has failed. Now I will show the working of my project in Cisco Packet Tracer. Uh, this is my network in Packet Tracer. You can see multiple routers which is connected together, and there are extra links between them. These links provide a backup uh, in case of failure. First, I configured VLANs. To configure the VLANs, we need to enter these commands in CLI. Uh, First command is enable configure terminal and VLAN 10, VLAN 20. So these commands will create VLAN 10 and VLAN 20, and VLAN is nothing but they are used to separate the networks. It's in a same network. It's like there are two different departments, and after that we need to do this in all the switches. And next, I configured a trunking, and we need to configure the trunking by using these commands. Uh, Interface key and this will do the trunking. These commands are used to do the trunking of the ports, and this allows multiple VLANs to pass through one link. Next is spanning tree protocol. I have used spanning tree protocol to prevent the loops. Uh, Here you can see it blocks extra paths to keep the network stable. And next I have configured the HSRP. Now I will show HSRP configuration. Uh, to configure the HSRP, we can do this to improve routers and also switches. I have configured in routers. Next, we need to configure the HSRP. Means, you can configure the HSRP on router also and switches also. So I have used to configure this in routers. So to configure this, to use some commands like we need to assign the IP address to port, and we need to set the priority. Higher priority means it will work as a primary, and which has a low priority, it will work as a backup router. And in this network, this is the primary router, and this is the backup router. And here we can see active and standby routers. Means uh, here this router is active, and this is a standby router. Okay, which means when this router fails, this router will take over the network. Here you can see the PC from this of LAN 1 can successfully ping the PC from network 2. Okay, using first router. If I just turn off this router, If now this now router is turned off, now the automatically the router to takes place and it will if I think now the data is passing through the backup router. Now I will show my report. It includes topology, configuration, and also the results. All the steps are completely explained in this report step by step. You can see here, these are the five phases I have divided this project and completed one by one. The phase one is project initiation and proposal. In this, we have project statement and project goals and success criteria. And next is project phase two is project designing, technical scope, IP addressing planning, and also resource requirements. And this is the uh, high level diagram for our project, high availability in LAN networks. And phase three is project execution and implementation, which means you can see here how the data flows through one switches to another switch and routers, and it reaches to the ISP cloud. Uh, when the second router is turned off, and these are the configurations which we have uh, entered in the routers and switches. Phase 4 is monitoring and controlling. In this, we can see uh, we can check we can check our project like it is working or not.